One of the things we love most about this spectacular redwood grove is that when you're here exchanging your vows, declaring your love amongst friends and family, it's so beautiful to have your ceremony also witnessed by some of the oldest, tallest, most ancient beings on the planet. The coast redwoods have been here since the Jurassic Age, and this whole redwood grove really makes a stunning backdrop and a stunning location for you and your friends and your family to celebrate your ceremony, your special day.